So in this section of the video, I'm going to show you what the harmonic minor scale is. Harmonic minor scale. So now let me play it very slow, right? You hear it? I play it again. Let me call out the note. So your 1, which is your do, your re, which is your 2, so do, re, re, your flat third. You get it? Do, re, re. Then fa, so, si, which is your 4, your 5, your flat 6. So you get it. Then you end with your ti, do, using your middle finger or your ti, and do with your ring finger. So hear how it sounds, right? It sounds very harmonic. Then you go back again. Nice. So that is what we call the harmonic minor scale.